Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes. It's GL550. I removed the back seat after reinstalling the seat back and I got SRS light on my dash panel, which I'm going to show it to you. Dash panel, it says that rear left and rear right having an issue. I have my brakes on. I didn't wear the seat belt, so all the lights are indicated. So I'm going to share with you how to reset it. And in order to reset, I'm going to use iCarSoft. This is a CR Plus scanner. And what we need to do, go underneath the dash and you will see right here. You open it. And that's where we're going to place our scanner. So we're going to plug in our scanner. As soon as we do it, it will start initializing. So we need to choose our chassis X164 GL class. This is 550. So once it's selected, so we're going to select manual, and this is the airbags, and it's saying please wait. So as soon as we're going to enter here, as soon as we're going to hit clear fault memory, and I'll show you also. I say yes. I'll show you on the screen how it does. It disappears from there. It shows clear fault memory. So if we look at now, there is no more SRS light. So that's how it's easy and simple to do it. I hope this video will help you out. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.